Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel Redneck Rawson, where we do all the tech amazing games and gaming videos. So today we're here with Real Cricket 18, and so now we are going to play a quick game in cricket, so stay tuned with us. And I want to beg pardon to all you guys that I haven't posted a gaming video in quite months. I was quite busy with my exams and etc, so I beg your pardon. So let's start with us again, and this time it won't be very bad, I guess. So let's start now. Here, quick match, test match, mode, crusade, RCPL auction, that means Royal Cricket Premier League, Super Over Tri-Series, Super Over and Tri-Series are unlocked yet. Tournaments Associates is unlocked, 119 is unlocked, but I haven't got much tickets, 25 tickets if needed. I have just 7. My level is 7. Profile, have played 57 matches and won 32 matches. Run scored 9,589. When I scored so much run. Wickets taken 130. Okay. Batting average 39.14. Okay. Bowling average 29.60. Oh, not so good. Total 126, total 50 is 26. Longest 6 distance 121.12 meter. Total 6 850. Total 4 681. Fastest 50 record in 9 balls. That means 9 sixes. Right, that was quite 2 or 1 year ago. I forgot that. Fastest 100. Oh no, not in 17 balls. 17 into 6 equals to 102. That would be the shortest way to score a century. Best bowling figure, Mohammad Siraj, 19 runs and 6 wickets. Highest individual score, Brandon McCallum, 400 runs and 97 balls. Highest partnership, Virat Kohli and Brendan McCallum, 405 runs in 110 balls. That means Virat Kohli scored just 5 runs in that game. Oh. And match goal, milestone goal, tournament goal. Oh, very hard. I don't want to play these. Oh, so what do you want to see now? Let's start with a quick match. I don't want to resume the game. No. So let's check it out. International, India, Pakistan. So I'm not playing against Pakistan. So here's Aussie 2020 means Big Bash League is Perth Predators, Perth Scorchers, Adelaide Blazers, Adelaide Strikers, I think, the Big Bash League. Here's Masters. The Masters are those players who are the legends of their country. So there are Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev in India, and etc. And yes, in Pakistan there are like Javed Miadad and someone like that. So I'm not playing Masters. Under 19 India, under 19, and here's under 19 of South Africa. There's no Pakistan. Yes, there is under 19 Pakistan, but I'm not playing. RC Premier League, that means IPL. Chennai Stringers, that means Chennai Super Kings. Delhi Dynamos, Delhi Dynamos is a football team in ISL. What? Delhi did so. This year's is not their name is Delhi Dynamos nor Delhi Daredevils. It's Delhi Capitals. And then Punjab Blasters means Kings 11 Punjab, Kolkata Tigers, that means KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Legends, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Rifles, Rajasthan Royals, Bangalore Rockets. Look at Virat Kohli standing out there. RCB Hyderabad Heroes, SRH Sunrisers Hyderabad. I'm not playing RC Premier League. So Pakistan League, no. English Bangladesh League. What am I gonna play? English 2020. Oh, Kent Steamers. The jersey is very. Oh, there was some errors in the something like that, technical issues. So let's continue now. English 2020 Kent Steamers versus Somerset Dragons. Let's go for it. London UK will be my home stadium. Medium hard expert. Medium, I think. Medium in 10 overs. Pitch will be green. Skip intro, no. Time will be night or dusk. I think night will be okay. So now Jaden Lee, D. Bill Drummond, H. Kuhn, Sam Billings, A. Blake, Carlos Braithwaite. Oh, where is. What happened? What? A. Blake will be going there. J. Denley is Dixon. C. Haggett. A. Milne. I. What? I. Kayyum. I. Thomas. Okay, and here's the reserve bench. M. Claydon. Z. Crowley. W. Kidman. Matt Henry. Mark Henry. M. Kuhn. H. Podmore. A. Riley. O. Robinson. A. Rouse. Marcus Toynes. David Stevens or something like that. G. Stewart. J. Treadwell. Okay, so I'm not making any changes in the first 11. Oh, no. What is happening here? Don't do this. Carlos Braithwaite, yes, he's dead. A. Blake is coming here. Braithwaite will be in Henry's position. Okay, now let's start the game. I haven't skipped the intro, so you will see a new thing in Real Cricket 18. Let's see it. Real Cricket 18 Extra.
Welcome to the Real Cricket Studios, where we will be bringing you live action shortly. I am joined by our experts who are all really excited.
Yeah, I think this will be a great game, and some of these players are in the form of their lives. I wouldn't want to miss a moment.
The conditions out there look splendid, and the toss could be very important.
All right then, let's head straight to the stadium and catch the captains in the middle.
Woohoo, so many stars out there. Look at that animation. Wow. Look at that stadium now. Oh. Awesome. I have become the beast, right? Awesome. And now let's skip it. Live from London, UK. Match details. Kent Streamers versus Somerset Dragons. Toss. What will be my call? My call. I usually make heads because I want to stay in the head of this world, but now I am going for tail. What happens now? Let's see. Who won? I won, yes! Tails it is.
You really need to make most of the conditions now.
What was that? So I am going. I usually bowl first, but what will happen now? Look at the captain staring at the announcer. He's so happy. Let's go for bat. Look at the team. J. Myborg, S. Davies, Pietrego, Hilder, Anderson, Kent, J. Denley, D. Bell, Ramon, H. Kuhn, Sam Billings, A. Blake, Carlos Braithwaite, S. Dixon, C. Haggett, A. Milne, I. Kayum, I. Thomas. Kent won the toss and chose to bat first. Next. Oh, select batsman for striker end. J. Denley will be okay and D. Drummond will be okay.
Lovely day to play cricket, and here we have the two umpires walking in with a brand new ball.
Brand new ball.
In comes the fielding side. They look charged up and ready to go.
Charged up and ready to go, says the announcer.
Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer from the crowd.
Here comes the openers. Here come the openers with a loud cheer from the crowd. Pace bowler into the 10. J. Overton, skill 71, movement 69, field rating 73. J. Denley, technique 77, timing 79, aggression type radical, category batsman, right-handed batsman, J. Denley. Look at he's checking the pitch. Oh, is it alright? Okay. Is he the captain, J. Denley?
Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings.
First ball of the innings comes. Okay. Noted.
It's straight to the field.
Straight to the field. Straight to the field. Straight to the field. Now it won't go straight to the fielder because I am going to punch it like that. Bang! Into the gap for 4. Yes! Come on, dude! And now I'm going for a 6. Oh, I missed the replay.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
It's going to there.
That is in the air and in the gap as well.
4. Oh, I missed the 6. 1 bounce, 4. Now I'll see the replay. Oh, no ball.
That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in.
And he cashed in. What, is it a Money in the Bank contract?
Another field change.
What? He'll
He seems
change.
to have carried his form from the last match.
Carried his form from the last bench. What?
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing.
Excellent placement and timing. My screen is looking laggy. Why? FYI, guys.
He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
Yes, you will pay the price. You will pay the price again in this ball. So where am I? Yes, I was telling
got a
that
wide range of
one
shots. What
information
is he
for you
going to do
guys
next?
that Real Cricket 19 is coming. Oh! All the way! It's a 6! Huge 6! Not so much huge though. Look at that replay. Look at that replay. Look at that! What a shot! 6 distance. What will be the 6 distance? 100 won't. Won't be 182 meters. Wow! Look at that.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
So Real Cricket 19 will be launched.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs.
4 runs. Real Cricket 19 is releasing very soon. It will be with real-time multiplayer. What's happening here? Where is black?
Another
Field change.
Batsman getting ready.
Will it rain? Lord knows. Okay, so now what will happen? Let's push it.
Not just for a single.
Oh, great piece of fielding. Great fielding. I think my screen is looking laggy because of this GU recorder. It's so much laggy, it doesn't open even. Again a single. Before making this video, I was fixing the problem, and that was a really huge thing. What? Oh no!
Time it too well. That is
I will kill you! Sorry, I won't kill you. Cricket win mypl.in. What?
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Look at him. Oh, it's cloudy out there. Good shot that was, but oh, I haven't seen the fielder out there.
He has gone for a loose stroke.
Oh, what? He threw the ball in his right hand and the ball went out from his left hand. What? Someone like Brute, Sam Billings, Carlos Braithwaite, S. Dixon. Let's go for Sam Billings. He's coming here. I wanna hit you. I wanna hit you. I wanna hit you with a huge 6. Oh!
At this stage of the game, he should look to get his eye in before trying something extra again.
What?
And he helps himself to a 6.
Look at that! A.B. de Villiers is 6. Jay Denley just hit the 6 of A.B. de Villiers. Mr. 366.
That is straight out of the middle of the bat.
Yes. 6 distance. I think it's 80 meters. Okay, never mind.
This is scintillating.
Jay Denley looks very angry. Whoa!
That is in the air and in the
Another 4.
Goes for
Great batting from Jay Denley. So guys, please don't install this DU recorder because
Getting ready to face
it's
his
very
first
laggy.
ball.
I was wanting to record the video of Wrestling Revolution 3D, but it didn't open because of this DU recorder.
Another field change.
And Real Cricket 18 hopefully opened. So now
He
Sam
is
Billings'
arguably
first
one of
ball,
the
so
hitters in world cricket.
he will not do anything. Defense
Front and blocks the ball.
loves the ball. Yes, he loves the ball. He
Have to
loves
be
the
extra
ball.
careful of
He
the
loves
line
the
goes to
ball
his feet.
very much. He loves the ball to hit. Oh,
This man
oof.
completely.
He will make the ball go to the ground. And he makes it.
That is in the air and in the gap as
4. Oh no, 4. Why is it 4? Why is it not 6? I will stop talking now. So let's focus on the game. Look at the dugout. They look worried. Why? I just hit a huge 4. I mean, great 4.
it is showtime.
Let's go for an uppercut here because the ball is just in the position. Oh, what?
Body, it's a nasty delivery.
What?
Here is a fielder at
Sam, are you okay? Helicopter shot! Helicopter shot from Sam Billings. Sam Billings was in Chennai Super Kings last year, and I think he learned that shot
That was pretty ordinary
from
delivery. Got what it deserved.
who? Oh, MS Dhoni, yes. 6 distance, 85 meters. I will hit the helicopter shot again. Oh no,
Can you do it
the
again?
field is there. No, I can't do it again. I will hit this. Oh, oh, oh. What?
Has to walk back
Oh
to the
no, the bullet just celebrated in the way of Bobby Lashley celebrates. What?
What a ball that
Oh, I was late. Very fast ball. Great ball. Great ball. It's cool. No, it like he's very defensive though. No, he is radical. And Kuhn was very. Oh, it's raining. Will they stop it? Will DLS will be applied?
It has just started to drizzle now, and I hope the rain doesn't get worse.
Oh no! Don't catch, drop the catch! Oh, what was that? What?
There's a fielder at extra cover.
What was that? Oh my god.
That is in the
I will take
air
that.
and in
Oh,
the gap
thankful.
as well.
Good lord, what was that? There is. The pitch is looking very laggy because of it.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
No DLS? Why? Man.
It's nicely timed.
What is that?
Only get one though. He's calling for two.
When I called for 2?
The
Man.
umpires have had enough of this. The rain is just too heavy now for them to continue.
Yes. Oh, Blake defense.
Defended there. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Stop the game, man. Don't catch, run.
Got the elevation right.
Good lord.
Timed it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
Let's just go for Kuhn. Come, fast. Then Deadly, do something deadly, do something deadly. Like hitting a six like that. What a six! He has scored 44 runs in just 14 balls.
Finally come together to decide whether the play should go on in these sort of conditions.
What is happening?
There, off go the Bills, and we have a rain interruption.
Rain interruption. Oh yeah. Come on, dude.
The players are walking back to the dressing room, and we're going to have a few overs deducted for sure.
What? How many overs?
As you can see behind me, the Super Swappers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore.
6 overs.
And the match has been curtailed, but the play will be back on soon.
Oh, very good. Awesome graphics. Awesome. Innings adjusted to 6 overs.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Fast, fast. I have to hit. Just 2
Batsman
overs
getting ready
left.
to face his first ball.
2 overs left. Hit a 6.
That is in the air.
Goal
and
with
in
a
the
great
gap as
ball.
well. Goes for four.
The rain has stopped and the players are back in field. And I could just
There is no better
hit
sight
a
than
great
watching him bat
ball.
at his best.
Awesome ball. And another one. Another 4.
Definitely will be pleased with the
Coleman
result.
is just humiliating Vander. The bowler is Vander. Fielding change. Fielding change.
Here we go.
Fielding
Wonder where the
change.
next one is going to fly.
Where is going far? No, no.
Got the elevation right. But he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Carlos Braithwaite, please save me. Please save your team. Please save Kent.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Another 6 from Delhi. And he scores his 15, just 15 balls. Look at that dugout celebrating. Come on. What a 6.
That 50
Yes.
will definitely give confidence to the batsman.
Yes, that will give confidence to Delhi. 50 runs in just 15 balls. Projected score.
He seems to have
58.
carried his form from the last match.
Gonna hit a 6. What?
Yes,
Another 6. What a hook shot. Great shot from Delhi. He's on fire. The rain couldn't
He has got a wide
off
range of shots. What is he going
his
to do next?
fire. Another shot. This
good.
time a
Timed
4.
that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result.
Carlos Braithwaite, who is known as finisher, can he protect Kent and let the score go to 100?
Change in the bowling.
I don't think
Pacer
so.
being brought back.
It's a pacer who is coming out here. Now Braithwaite is here. Braithwaite is here. Braithwaite is going there. And Braithwaite with the
In the air,
helicopter
it's a
shot.
magnificent strike.
It's a magnificent strike. The fielder didn't even try to catch the ball, man. Very poor fielder. Look
What
at
good
that.
batting that is. Excellent shot making.
Excellent shot making. 6 distance. 81 meter. No one can hit a 100 meter 6 in
Well, he has got the license to go
a
here.
helicopter
Is going
shot
crazy.
other than MS Dhoni.
That is in the air
What?
and in the gap as well.
4. No. I think he can make the score to go to 100. Yes.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Let's hit another one.
Oh, what a shot that is. He picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground.
Gain of 4. No. Oh, just 27% charges left.
Another field change.
Field change.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad
I'm
here.
going for that scoop shot. Brendan McCallum's shot. My favorite one. Yes!
That is a nice shot.
Nice shot.
Timed it beautifully for 4.
4. No. That was a 6. What? That was a 6. Good Lord, help me. He looks like Kane Williamson. Who's that? I'll go for a helicopter shot again. Let's go for it. What? Oh, wow. Great animation. What a great animation.
Walk towards the pavilion.
Oh, Bilderman and Braithwaite look same. Look at the wicket again. Very funny. Went for the helicopter shot again and look at him.
Not a good shot. The field was set up for that, and the batsman fell right into the trap.
Right into the trap. As Dick said, he's also brute, people. Let's hit a 6 or
Ball of the innings coming up.
last ball of the innings coming up. Number 4 from Delhi. Dixon didn't have to hit the ball. 101 run. The target is 102 from just 36 balls. Can Somerset Dragons achieve it? Let's stay tuned. Look at that. Jay Denley not out. 64 runs in just 8 balls. Beldermont 1 run in 2 balls. Sam Billings was a great effort, but he didn't last long. 10 runs in just 6 balls. A Blake went for a duck. 2 balls, 0 runs. H. Kuhn hit 2 fours, well, but not survived very long. And Carlos Braithwaite was a silly dismissal with a helicopter shot and just edged and was caught by Joverton. Jay Overton. And his Dixon came, but he didn't even play a ball. Bowling scorecard. Oh, what about? Okay, Anderson took 2 wickets. Let's go. Innings adjusted due to weather. Target 102 runs in 6 overs. DLS method. What are they want to say? Let's check it out. What will they say?
Welcome back. We had an interesting first half. I really enjoyed watching all the action, and I wonder what our guest here thinks.
Is he trading again?
Yes, there were some great moments of brilliance displayed by both sides, and this should be a close-fought match.
I think the wickets at the start will be crucial towards deciding the end result.
Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and we will be back with live coverage after this short break.
Where's the short break? Let's bowl Milne here.
We are through with the innings break, and we are back live at the stadium. The batting deep. The umpire.
Bowling. I will just keep these things fast things up because it has already been 33 minutes.
Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line.
He's bowling the green area.
Nice hangs in front and blocks the ball.
Fast
This
ball.
is an extra cover.
They need to score 102 runs with 36 balls and they are defending. What in heaven is happening?
That was a quick single.
Quick single, fast.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh no, the ball is in green area and it will be a 6. No? 0 run. Let's autoplay it. I don't see these things. Autoplay it.